Hello everyone, Mike Arman's here, co-founder, Path Trading Partners along Bob Iacchino. Still not much going on with Bitcoin. Tried to rally, this is a daily chart, tried to rally into the rotation zone a bit and promptly reversed. We still have the same levels as yesterday, 9,000. A close below 9,000, we'll be starting watch for the 88.15. If we drop below there, 86.92 and then 85.70 to the upside. Start paying a little more attention to the rotation zone now, especially since it's lining up with these candle bodies. 92.50 is about that's on any rally where we'll be targeting, and then above that we still need a close above 92.85 to get into bullish mode, and those next areas would be 9400 and 9465 to the upside. Again, it's got to get out of this range. Same with Ethereum, if you see here. Not much separation on this rotation zone, so we're still watching 231.25 for the upside, a close above there, 232.77, 234.97, 237.17. We have our level right now at about 225. I'm going to be watching though for a close below 224 because the 50 is right there and we keep dipping and touching that area. So a close below 224, then I will be focusing on 220.72 area, 220.70, then below there 215.16. It's really all. We have to wait till these either break out to the upside or break down to the downside and then start trading it appropriately. As long as it's within this little consolidation range, it's just short-term scalping. So we have for you on Bitcoin and Ethereum, and we'll talk to everyone later. Bye for now.